Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recharge your energy in the onsen lake question mark, well, in the onsen mountain. But basically, you're just going to find these pool floaties and you're going to click on this. Don't go on this pool floaty. I know there's another one like over there. You're going to go to the ones that look like this, and you're just going to click this button. And basically, it's going to fill your energy. It says restores 1 energy every 10 seconds. I hear it's more efficient than sleeping, but I could be wrong. But if you don't want to if you don't want to eat your food and want to sell it, you can just go to the onsen mountain and do this instead. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!